Hello everyone, you are tuned into Emmanuel Media Communication Club's official school news bulletin, where we bring you highlights, achievements, and unforgettable moments. From our very own Emmanuel Mission Senior Secondary School, Jaisalmer, I am Bharat from Class 8B.
I am Priyanka from Class 11th Humanities.
I'm Mamta of Class 12 Humanities. Together, we'll take you through a journey filled with learning, leadership, and success. The journey that defines our school's vibrant spirit.
Our story begins in June, the month when school usually prepare for a new academic session. But at Emmanuel, we begin with something even more meaningful, a teacher training workshop. Workshop on child psychology, behavior and emotional intelligence held on 28th of June. This session, led by the renowned Dr. Veena K. Arora, wasn't just about teaching techniques, it was about understanding the hearts and minds of children. Teachers learned how emotions shape learning and how empathy builds trust in classrooms. Through interactive discussions and case study, our educator reflected on how compassion and awareness can transform teaching. It truly showed that Emmanuel doesn't just create great students, we also nurture great teachers.
August began with leadership and pride. The Invest Teacher Ceremony was one of the most awaited events of school's year. On this special day, student leaders, prefects, and house captains were entrusted with their responsibilities. The moment of oath-taking was filled with determination and honor. Our respected principal, in his inspiring address, reminded everyone that leadership is not about authority, it is about service, humility, and responsibility. As badges were pinned and flag raised, new leaders took their first step toward the nation, shaping the Emmanuel legacy.
The very next day, August 12, color and creativity took over the campus with fancy dress competition. Our little stars came dressed as freedom fighters, national heroes and social reformers, and even superheroes. The stage sparkled with confidence, laughter and imagination. Through every performance, children not only entertained but also expressed powerful messages about bravery, equality and kindness.
The most patriotic day of the year, Independence Day, was celebrated on August 15 with immense enthusiasm. Our Father Sir hosted the national flag and the air filled with the national anthem sung by every student, teacher and staff member with pride and unity. Cultural performances followed, dance, music and skit, beautifully capturing India's journey to freedom. It wasn't just a program, it was a tribute, a reminder of who we are, where we come from and the heroes who made it possible.
From patriotism to performance, August 21st was all about rhythm and movement. The dance competition for grade 1st to 5th saw our youngest talent lighting up the stage once again with adorable performances. From classical grace to freestyle energy, every child danced with pure joy. Their innocence and confidence won every heart in the audience.
August 23rd was a day of double excitement, hosting Battle of Stars Season 3 and a debate competition. Morning began with cheers and competition as houses battle it out in sports and games, showing teamwork and discipline. And by afternoon, words become the new weapon as students from grade 6 to 12 debated with logic, passion, and conviction on social burning topics. It was a day that proved Emmanuel built both thinkers and doers.
Creativity took over classrooms on August 13 with board decoration competition. Every class board became a work of art filled with color, codes, and imagination. Students worked in teams, blending creativity and collaboration. These boards didn't just decorate our walls, they spoke about our culture, dream, and values.
The stage came alive once again on September 3rd with dance competition for senior
Get ready for
students.
takeoff.
Showcasing their talents and dance competition for grade 6 to 12. Powerful performances, graceful movements, and expressive storytelling kept the audience captivated. Judges were amazed at the professionalism of our students.
Emmanuel doesn't just excel in academics, we rule the court too.
Third position is acquired by Army Public School Jaisalmer. Second position, Adarsh Vidya Mandir Ramgarh. First position, Emmanuel Mission School. Under 17 boys, third position is acquired by Emmanuel Mission School. First
At the
position,
69th district level school basketball tournament 2025 and 26, our team delivered a clean sweep victory. Champions in under 14 boys, under 19 boys, and under 19 girls, and a bronze medal for our under 17 boys. An achievement reflect hard work, team spirit, and discipline.
On September 10, the newly elected Student Council 2025-26 held its first official meeting.
We'd like to welcome you all for the first
Thank you so much, in charges. Now, next we have respected principal sir.
Led by Director Sir, Principal Sir, and School Management, the meeting discussed ideas and discipline, academics, and school development. It was inspiring to see our young leaders take initiative, share creative ideas, and plan for the year ahead with confidence.
September 21st was a proud day for our music department. Our school participated in national group singing competition and secured first runner-up position. Their songs Apni Dharti Apna Ambar in Hindi and Devi Dahino Palam in Sanskrit left the audience spellbound, guided by Sachin sir and Preetam sir.
October turned our campus into a reader's paradise. From the 27th to 29th, we hosted the Emmanuel Book Fair. Now let's move to our school secretary, Payal Bhatt.
The book fair offers a wonderful variety of books for readers of all the ages and interests, from fictional books that take us to imaginative worlds to religious and spiritual books which inspire faith and values in us, and also study-related books that help us academically.
It wasn't just an event, it was a celebration of knowledge, curiosity, and the joy of reading.
And now, a proud moment for our entire Emmanuel family. Harshvardhan, a class 12 art student. Won the gold medal at 44th North Zone Shooting Shotgun Championship. His victory symbolized discipline, the spirit of excellence that defines every Emmanuelite. This is Bharat.
This is Priyanka and Nanda.
Signing off from Emmanuel Media Communication Club. Stay creative, stay confident, and keep shining bright the Emmanuel way.